Chick-fil-A removes a controversial coating from its fries. If you've noticed your Chick-fil-A waffle fries looking a little different lately, you aren't imagining things. The beloved side dish has quietly undergone a major change. The fast food giant has officially removed a controversial ingredient from its famous potato fries, ending an era that sparked years-long debate among its loyal fans. Chick-fil-A confirmed to all recipes that its waffle potato fries have returned to their original recipe, with 100% of its inventory now free of pea starch. The chain also updated its online nutrition and FAQ pages to reflect the change, easing concerns for diners with legume allergies. The controversy began in late 2024 when eagle-eyed fans noticed a shift in the texture and flavor profile of the iconic side dish. While the coating was likely introduced to produce a crispier fry capable of holding up during delivery, the reception was decidedly mixed. While meant to improve crunch, many customers said it masked the natural potato flavor, and concerns grew because peas and peanuts are both legumes, raising potential risks for people with severe peanut allergies due to cross-reactivity. With the ingredient now removed, Chick-fil-A appears to have listened to its customer base and prioritized both taste and safety over texture durability. For fans who felt something was off, the classic waffle fry they knew and loved is officially back. On Reddit, many users welcomed Chick-fil-A's decision to remove pea starch from its fries, saying the experiment won't be missed. One user joked, "I'm gonna miss that pea starch," said no one, while another asked, "So do they taste good again? I remember when they added the pea starch, and it made them taste gross." Diners who recently tried the fries confirmed the improvement, with one saying they tasted how they used to, and another noting the salt now sticks better after the recipe change. While some customers said they never noticed a flavor difference, most celebrated the return of Chick-fil-A's classic waffle fries, encouraging fans waiting for the real version to head back and enjoy them again.